India is known for its very rich cultural, moral and ethical values. Having said that, the women are placed in a very respectable position as per the Indian culture. The Constitution has also, under various provisions, enactments have given equality before law, equal opportunity in public employment, equal pay for equal work, so on and so forth. So these are not the issues for us. The issues for us are quite different. We have to tackle that. In that direction, the All India State Bank Officers Federation and more particularly SBI OAHC has been tackling these issues at various levels and bringing improvements. I am not going to touch on those aspects because the General Secretary is the right person to talk to you on all organizational matters. The major problem of the working class in a developing country as of now is long working hours. India is a developing country. India is no exception. State Bank of India is no exception. State Bank of India officers are no exception. Women officers of State Bank of India are also no exception to this. We have long working hours per day and also long working hours per week. In that direction also some efforts are being made, and I am sure some good news will flow in the days to come. But this is telling, or this is giving lot of strain on all the officers and more particularly women officers in the family front. They are not able to pay attention to the family. I can say that you are paying lot of attention or giving lot of importance to your work, but unpaid care to the family, friends, close relatives, this is an issue. One of the issues which has to be brought to the notice of the management is the working condition. There are still some branches where the women officers cannot be posted for just infrastructure reasons. There are some branches which are located in such a way that it is not congenial for the lady officers to head that branches because they are situated on the first floor of a bar and restaurant and so on and so forth. There are so many security measures which has to be brought in because there are branches where staff has been locked. There are branches where dharnas are held. There is an instance where one field officer was assaulted, attacked for just following the rules of the bank. These are the areas of concern at the micro level, and I am sure with a proactive management, when we go or our General Secretary goes to the management with these problems, we are finding out solutions. This is one aspect. At the macro level also we have some problems. There is a tendency to replace the permanent employment with labor contract. There is a security to jobs, so we have to be united. You have all to be very careful, be attentive, be bold, and just be in readiness to jump into any action when there is a call from the SBI officers Hyderabad Circle to bring improvement in those areas.